Hi everyone, in this video I will be reviewing this BLACK+DECKER blender. This is a 5-cup glass jar, and this is why I bought it. It is because a glass jar, so I think it's better than the plastic jars. And it has 10 speeds and a pulsating button here. So this is a pulsating button. Let me get the camera a little bit closer so that you can see it. So these are the controls. This is a pulsating button. This is a low speed, so if you put it at low speed and you press any of these buttons, it will increase the speed like this. And this is the high speed. As I said, this is a pulsating button. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy avocado drink. So you need one avocado that is ripe, and you need some honey, you need vanilla extract, and you need some almond milk. So this is a vanilla unsweetened almond milk. So get it unsweetened, whether it is vanilla or no. First, let's prepare the avocado. So this here is the avocado prepared. And also you need like some ice. It will be better so that the drink will be fresh. So let's open the BLACK+DECKER from the top here. And let's put in the avocado. And then for the honey, put as much as you want. So here I'm gonna put just a little bit. So this is enough for me. And let's put the vanilla extract. So it's always better to get like a natural vanilla extract, and this is what I have here. Just put a couple of drops of vanilla only. This is it. Not much more. And for the almond milk, make sure to shake the box first, and then put almost like half a glass, and that's enough. So this is half a glass of almond milk. And for the ice cubes, this is the equivalent of 2 ice cubes. So I'm gonna put them here. And now let's make the drink. So first I'm gonna pulsate it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it on low and increase the speed gradually. So on low it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when you put it on high, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let me start with 1. So this is 1 speed. So this is 2, 3. And leave it a little bit. 4, 5. So this is the most speed here. Let me put it on 6. So here, if you have the high and low buttons turned off, even if you have another speed button that is pressed in, the blender will not operate, of course. So if you want to operate the blender, the high or the low buttons should be pressed in. So now I stopped it. Let me open it. And let's pour the drink. It is a thick drink and it will be really delicious. You're gonna see. So this is the avocado drink, and let me taste it and show you how I am drinking it. Cheers. It's really good. The vanilla gives it a little bit of taste, and the honey sweetens it a little bit. Of course, also the almond milk and the avocado, and it is a thick drink. And it is also consistent, so it also like fills you up. So I want to thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.